So this is a short video to show this 4-car, later to become Class 104 BRCW conversion from a Hornby Class 110. Taken me about 37 years to get this far. Ridiculous, isn't it? But it got put away for a very long time. Finally decided to finish it, and so this is what I have. And a lot of cut and shut being done here, especially on the car here, which actually houses the motor and the brake compartment, and so had to be reconstructed. And then each of the motor second opens and don't have a brake compartment, just the middle section, the middle car rather. I think it's a trailer brake second lavatory, I think it is, or something. But that one is there was only, I think, a handful of those made for the 4-car set, and then we have the other two here. I'm going to get up and try and show a little more. I can keep the focusing in here, and then you can see this. And you can. It's now finished, varnished, weathered. Powders used for the weathering. For the first time, really, I've done that. I didn't like it very much. I ended up having to seal the powders with some dull coat because it really was getting very messy. So here it is, 4-car Eastern DMU.